Yeah, namaste, Dr. Parsati and Saurabh-ji. Thank you very much for a wonderful session. I am very passionate about Ayurveda, but I wanted to know what are you exactly going to be teaching in the 16-week session?
Robaji, the idea is that we will start this series with the focus on what are the different lifestyle inducing diseases. So when you look at the chronic diseases, most of them are induced from within, right? They are not like a virus that you are catching from outside. They are not a bacteria, right? They are originating from inside, right? So we will be focusing on those aspects of diseases, and we will be looking at what slight changes, what big changes you can do in your diet, in your exercises, in how you prepare the food, what kind of food do you eat, so that these chronic diseases you can manage better. So whether it is diabetes, whether it is cancer, whether it is heart problems, right? These are not the things that you contract from outside. These are something that originate from within yourself, right? So that's going to be the focus. We will not complete everything in the 16 weeks. So there will be more such courses being offered in future, but this will be the primer for that, and it will be a standalone unit. So whatever you will learn, you will be able to implement it. So it will be a self-contained unit. Will teach you practical things which you can start implementing in your life from day one.
And maybe I can add some few more points into it. The focus of it will be to give you the concept of Ayurveda and not just giving information of Ayurveda. Do this, do that is not the idea. Give you the concept of Ayurveda, and the concept will be focused on mainly two things, that is Ritucharya and Dinacharya. Dinacharya meaning the charya of the day, that is daily regimen. Ritucharya, the regimen that is associated with the season. So how should you live in a day? How should you live and adjust in a season? Which will cover what you should do so that you live healthily. And you can use these tools in case if you are with any lifestyle disorders like diabetes, hypertension, etc. It will be mainly because of some improper lifestyles. Or even as I told you, one in this topic, if I can give you an example, if someone is not cooking rice in an appropriate way, if one is not selecting an old rice, etc., and one is taking rice, they would have ended up having diabetes. So understanding the concepts of it, if one can make a small tweak in their lifestyle, they can easily come out of the problem. So it is about living. It's about healthy living, but totally following the explanations of the scriptures. It will be completely from the scriptures, Ayurveda Shastra.
So will there be any do we have to know Sanskrit or something? Or
I have already mentioned, I think in the information, I'll try to avoid as much as possible Sanskrit, but there are some areas where Sanskrit is unavoidable because we will lose the charm if I quit Sanskrit in that. So in that areas, I will try to give as much as explanation possible to make you understand that Sanskrit terminology or a Sanskrit verse, but it is focused for a common man. So Sanskrit will be very minimal. If at all there is some Sanskrit, though I don't prefer giving translated words, I try to explain the concept of that word because we don't have exact terminologies, alternate terminologies in English. One word has to be explained as a sentence. One Sanskrit word has to be explained as a sentence. So we will try to do that. We'll try to do justice on that. But Sanskrit, we will lose the charm when we just totally avoid Sanskrit in that. But it is focused for a common man. That is for sure.
Right. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.